Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are on to our third and final lead for today. This one is called an action lead. You can get the reader quickly involved in the story by starting with an exciting event or some kind of action. So I'm going to start right off with a boring lead, in my opinion. But again, it includes all the things you need to include, but it's just kind of a, yeah. Instead, I really want you to be able to use some, writer's embellishment, I guess you could say. I want you to be able to use some of your own creativity because sometimes writing can be a little boring for some people sometimes. But when you can be a little creative with it, it just kind of turns into a different thing. Instead of having to do it, sometimes you kind of want to do it. So hopefully today is helping you along on that route. All right, let's try it. Boring example. When I woke up, I realized what day it was. I was turning 8 tomorrow, but my party was today, and I was really excited. Half of my class was coming over to celebrate with me. I got up and put on my party clothes. I went into the bathroom and brushed my teeth, then headed downstairs to eat breakfast. It was a special breakfast, my favorite, pancakes and bacon. So the one thing that I look at when I'm looking at this that I realize right off the bat is that doesn't sound too exciting. If you were really excited, all they did is tell me they were really excited. They didn't show me they were really, really excited. There's no feelings in this. There's none of the characters' thoughts. There's nothing to bring the audience into this moment to make them experience this excitement with you. Instead, this is kind of like a summary of what you're doing when what's going on that morning. Nothing about what makes it special. I think that we can do a lot with this one. Let's see what I came up with. I threw on my favorite red dress and scrambled down the stairs as fast as I could. It was my 8th birthday, and I couldn't wait for my party to begin. Mom, I yelled before my feet hit the last step. What can I do to help? My speed and slippery socks caused me to slide into the kitchen. Whoa there, slow it down and have some breakfast first. She gestured toward the table filled with all my favorite things. Fluffy pancakes, hot syrup, crispy bacon, and a frosty glass of cold milk. So if you look, it includes the exact same details as this up here does, but instead it moves the story along much quicker. You can see she is in a hurry to get downstairs. She can't wait. As a matter of fact, she's in such a hurry. Right here, her speed makes her slide into the kitchen. Hopefully, it made you think of maybe this happening to you at some point when you're on your floor at home and you have slippery socks on and you slide in, and it gives you a sense of excitement. So I just added in some more details. I added in a little bit of dialogue, added in some excitement, I think. So I want you to try it with yours. So stop, think about your story. Where is something, you can even start it like I did, really included the same information, but just kind of got creative with it and thought of a different way to speed the story up so it's kind of like you want to read it. It's much faster paced, and it's bringing your reader into your story, makes them want to read it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, after you write this example, then you are done for today. Tomorrow we'll take up where we left off for today. We'll write 2 more examples of some leads, and then you're going to pick one to add into your current paper. All right, get busy, and I will see you tomorrow.